Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shabala. So today I gonna show you Navratri third day orange outfit makeup look. So let's get start into the video. So first of all, I used this Garnier fairness cream as a primer. I apply this cream on my face and neck. Okay, next I used this compact powder. This is from Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade 222. So next I used this lip balm. This is also from Maybelline in orange shade. I usually before apply any lipstick, I use this any lip balm on my lips. So next I use this lipstick. This is from LA18. This is also orange color. So I usually lipstick use in multi-purposes. So this lipstick also I applied as a eyeshadow because I don't have so many eyeshadows. So that's why I go to prefer lipstick as a eyeshadow. So next coming to the eyeshadow, this is from also Maybelline eyeshadow palette. I use this coral orange color on my crease. So next I selected this golden eyeshadow for my cubic bone and nose sharpen area like so, and also forehead, cheekbones and chin area wherever I want highlighted on my face. That's so next I apply kajal on my waterline, eyes waterline. This is from Itex kajal. So next I apply this eyeliner. This is also from Maybelline black eyeliner. next coming to the mascara, this is Hyper Curl Mascara from Maybelline. So next this is eyebrow pencil from MAC in the shade brown. So next coming to very important bindi for Indian girls. So I would like to prefer green color bindi for this orange outfit. So next I put very small orange color bindi under the green color bindi for giving a nice look for this Navratri. So I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Take care, I love you, bye.